Alright, who wants to see a fallen angel? This thing got split apart with a vengeance. Alright. I just found this. I bumped the stupid dice icon, apparently, and it brought me here. I think this is the Grand Canyon. How big is this thing? Yeah. Here's. It's like the flesh of it all got ripped off and splayed. You fold this all back, it'll all go back together perfectly. I mean, who's gonna tell me this is something else? Somebody got something to say? It's a wing. Feathers. 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 Feathers are quite strong. These things petrified, densified, turned into like an agate material. That's kind of how I describe it. Crazy. Look at you zoom in and then it all pixelates out. Right? Each square is a huge chunk of farm. All right, we're pixels to this. You fly a drone, you can't get this effect. There's no indication from the ground, or this is like a helicopter view. There's you can't tell. Hell, I can't even tell that I'm looking at bones. I mean, now that I know that this is a locked freaking spine into a hip bone, now that I've been looking at it, or whatever the fuck it is, everything's splayed open though. Everything's it's like it's cut down the middle perfectly. Symmetry, y'all. There's a symmetry here. Look around. I cracked this code. I know what none other does. Alright. You need to tell everyone that this is what's going on. I mean, do you see this? Are you okay with this? You're good? Look at this. Where are we? The fuck are we? Rockies? I don't know. Who cares? We're in America. Nah, y'all, I'm crazy. I'm seeing things. What the fuck? Alright. Alright. Let me track down the damn skull. I'm just having fun looking here. Still wings. Hmm. The fuck is the head? Here it is. Hmm. If this is like 3 kilometers, then it's the eye. I guess. Still could be a little big. Pretty sure that's an eye socket though. And that would make this the eye. Gosh, I think. See how this is splayed right down the middle? And if you folded it together, it would all link up. Alright, well, in all honesty, it's fucking late and my eyes are killing me. All I do is stare at fucking Google Earth, but whatever. Yep, this is perfectly normal. This is Earth. What the hell? Yeah, I can't definitively find what I can say is a head here, but there's lots of feathers and I mean something got ripped open. It's probably a pile of dead birds here. Hmm. Alright. Is this a cross section? Oh, that's still wing. It's like there must be a pile of birds here. There's several dead birds. That's why I can't find a head, and I'm getting led around on a goose chase. All right, I'm going to bed. I'll dig into this. I'll catch you next time, and I'll find a definitive head. And even if it's something like that, I'll put it together. Stay tuned, y'all. This is gonna get even better. Yeah.